Hello there, welcome back to Between the Keys. Got another one from the US Top 40 today. It's Apple by Charli XCX. Charli XCX, Apple. This song uses the following chords: G, A minor, and F. There's also, later on, a C, I believe. It starts with an intro which goes 1, 2, 3, and bum, 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 bum. That's G, A minor, and F, like that. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's count in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, bum, bum. It does it twice in total. Bum, bum, bum. Then we go to verse 1. I guess the apple don't fall from the tree, 'cause I've been looking at you so long now I only see me. Back to G, I wanna throw the apple into the sky. Feels like you never understand me, so I just want to drive to the airport. To the airport, to the airport, to the airport. G, A minor, F. Verse 2. I guess the apple could turn yellow or green. I know there's lots of different nuances to you and to me, and I wanna grow the apple, keep all the seeds, but I can't help getting so angry, and you don't listen. I leave to the airport, to the airport, to the airport, to the airport. That's G, A minor, F. We go to D minor, to the airport, to the airport, to the C, airport, to the airport. Brief break, interlude, brief little bit of D minor to A minor, just once. Bridge. She says, I'm gonna drive all night. No, she doesn't. She says, I'm gonna drive all night. I'm gonna drive all night. C to F. We go to verse 3, and it starts strangely on a D minor. I think the apple's rotten right to the core. A minor, from all the things passed down. C, from all the apples coming before. D minor, I split the apple down symmetrical lines, and what I find is kind of scary, makes me just want to drive. That's F. Interlude again, we go D minor, A minor, C. Bearing in mind this is played on a synth, but we can just hold them down as well. A minor, C, F. That goes around twice, so 4 bars twice, 8 bars. You could do the math. We go back to the outro. I wanna know I wanna know where you go when you're feeling alone. When you're feeling alone, do you? No, I don't want you to know where I go when I'm feeling alone. That's exactly where I don't want you to go, because that's where I go when I'm feeling alone, when I want some private space, is the correct answer. You've won £1 million. No, it carries on. There's another part. G, I wanna know where you go when you're feeling alone. When you're feeling alone, do you? No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. G, A minor, and F. Again. G, A minor to F. It goes 8 times. G, A minor to F. G, A minor to F. And it goes 4 more times, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna end it there, because you just need to do that part 4 more times, and then the song will end, believe it or not. That was Apple by Charli XCX. Another easy one. Basically 3 chords all the way through: G, A minor, and F. And then later on you get a C, and you get D minor. But apart from those 2 extra ones, so I guess you need 5 chords to do the song: G, A minor, F, D minor, and C. But for most of the first half of the song, it's just G, A minor, F. That D minor comes in halfway through on the verse 2. It comes in on the airport. The airport, the airport. Okay, not too difficult. As always, thanks for watching Between the Keys, or listening, since I have a slight cold and I'm not showing my face on these ones for the last couple, but I'll be back in person soon. The next one I'm going to do is also from the US Top 40, and it's going to be Heat Stroke by Khalid. Going to go listen to it now. It's the only other one that's new on the list. Then I'm going to do some Adele and maybe some Bruno Mars hits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, massively helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one on Between the Keys.